Hey guys, made another balisong. This one's made out of wood. It's a little wobbly, but it's pretty darn good. Got my safety, I got the tang and everything. Got my blade inside, which actually looks pretty good. It looks like pretty darn good. Hang on. Can't really see, but it's actually pretty. You can feel an edge there. You can't. Just please ask. So yeah, this is it. I love this thing. I'm not that good at it. Plus I'm looking through the camera. Yeah. Ask questions, people.